Mr. T.R. Silambarasan was born on February 3, 1983 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu as the eldest son of multi-talented veteran T. Rajendra and Miss Usha Rajendra. He did his schooling at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School and Santhome Higher Secondary School and his undergraduation at Loyola College. Silambarasan Desingha Rajendra, also credited by his initials as STR or commonly known as Simbu, is an actor, director, writer, composer, dancer, music director, lyricist, and playback singer in the Tamil film industry. Mr. Silambarasan started his career when he was a 6-month-old baby when he appeared as a newborn baby in a film directed by his father. His father began molding him right from his childhood, and Simbu soon became a popular name in the film fraternity. As a child, he had acted in 19 films and was popularly known as Little Superstar. After many movies as a child artist and multiple special dance appearances, Mr. Simbu debuted as a hero in Kadal Aivadillai in 2002, a movie directed by his father. In 2003, his movie Kovil, directed by Hari, received massive appreciation. In 2004, he made a mark for his acting and excellent story narration in Manmadan. Silambarasan proved that he is a worthy son of a worthy father when he directed the film Vallavan in 2006, in which he demonstrated his talents in story writing, screenplay, and dialogue writing besides acting. He also dubbed for Slumdog Millionaire in Tamil. His 25th film, Vinay Thandi Varvaya, directed by Gautam Menon, released in February 2010 and went on to become a blockbuster. Through the movie, Simbu proved that he was not only a commercial hero, but also a versatile actor. Chekka Chivandavanam is another masterpiece in which Simbu had exhibited his exemplary performance and received tremendous appreciation from all quarters. Vinay Thandi Varvaya's Karthik, Vanam's Cable Raja, Poda Podi's Arjun are memorable characters for Simbu's fans and all movie lovers. Recently, his movie Manadu received stellar reviews and became a huge hit. Simbu's talents were well recognized with numerous laurels and awards. The following few are noteworthy. Kalaimamani Award from the Government of Tamil Nadu in 2006, Filmfare Award for Best Actor Tamil for Vinay Thandi Varvaya in 2010, ITFA Best Actor Award for Vanam in 2011, and Saima Award in 2012. Mr. Chancellor, for his outstanding contribution and untiring dedication to the film industry as an actor, director, writer, composer, dancer, music director, lyricist, and playback singer, the Board of Management of Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, Vistas, is pleased to recommend to you, in recognition of his immense contributions to the film industry, to confer upon Kalaimamani Shri T.R. Silambarasan the degree of Doctor of Literature, honorary causa, to which I request that he may be admitted.
Padmashri T. Mariyappan, an Indian Paralympic high jumper, born on June 28, 1995 in Periyavadagamppatti village, Salem district, Tamil Nadu, has been brought out to this level by his mother as a single parent. Mr. Mariyappan suffered permanent disability in his right leg when he was run over by a bus while walking to the school, crushing below the right knee and became stunned. Despite his physical setback at the age of 5 of Mr. Mariyappan, today he stands before us standing as a live example. his physical education instructor encouraged him to try for high jump during the school days. The first competitive event started at his age of 14, in which Mr. Mariappan attained a second place among non-disabled competitors, for which he received encouragement from his classmates and others from his hometown. In 2013, his coach, Mr. Satyanarayana, supported by the Sports Academy of India for Different Able, noticed his performance at the Indian National Para Athletics Championships and took him as a student for further coaching. Mr. Mariappan cleared a distance of 1.78 meter in the men's high jump T42 event at the IPC Grand Prix in Tanzania, qualifying him for the Rio Paralympics. At the Rio Paralympics, he won the gold medal in the men's high jump T42 event with a leap of 1.89 meters. In Para-Asian Games 2018 in Jakarta, Indonesia, Mr. Mariappan has won the bronze medal in the high jump with a jump of 1.67 meters. In the year 2019, Mr. Mariappan cleared a distance of 1.80 meters in the men's high jump T63 event at the 2019 World Paralympics in Championship and bagged the gold medal. In August 2021, Mr. Mariappan won silver medal in men's high jump T63 category event at 2020 Tokyo, Japan, winning the second medal in Paralympic career. Awards and honors: recipient of Padma Shri Award in 2017, Arjuna Award in 2017, International Paralympic Committee Germany Award in 2017, Major Dayanchand Khel Ratna highest sporting honor of India in 2020. Mr. Mariappan has made continuous and sustained efforts to make the country proud in sports. Considering his dedication, he has been offered a Group A post as a coach with the Sports Academy of India. Mr. Chancellor, because of his eminence and attainments, for his achievements and contributions to the sports in the country, the Board of Management of Wales Institute of Science and Technology and Advanced Studies, WISTAS, is pleased to recommend to you, in recognition of his immense contribution in the fields of sports, to confer upon Padma Shri Thiru Mariappan T. Mariappan a degree of Doctor of Literature, honoris causa, to which I request that he may be admitted. I request Padma Shri T. Mariappan, renowned sportsperson, to come forward to receive the honorary degree from the Chancellor. Thank you.
Dr. V.G. Sandosham was born on August 15, 1935 in the lovely village of Alappapuram and grown in the warmth of his elder brother through V.G. Panirdas. The family situation hampered his education. The eldest son V.G. Panirdas then moved to Chennai and worked in a grocery shop to the family for its survival and maintenance. Later, along with the family, Dr. V.G. Sandosham moved to Chennai. He and his brother, with their hard work and full devotion, developed their business and became pioneer in the business they have launched. During his young days, he started working as a paper boy of the popular daily newspaper Daily Tandi. We call it as Dinatandi. The brothers launched a scheme of installment system which was popular pioneer in those days and is reached every nook and corner of the state of Tamil Nadu. New showrooms were also started and they attracted the attention of the public and thereby they succeeded and captured the heart of people of various walks of life living in Tamil Nadu and nearby states. The Pandidas brothers, some 50 years ago, have launched a unique and innovative concept, popularly known as VGP Golden Beach. Later on, it has become one of the important landmarks of the city of Chennai. The VGP Golden Beach has attracted young children and tourists not only from Tamil Nadu but also other parts of the city and even from abroad. A few years later, they have established Universal Kingdom, a theme park, Snow Kingdom, a play area for all age group, and an amusing park, that is Marine Kingdom. In short, the three letters VGP has become a household name to the people living in Chennai and the neighboring districts. For his hard work and his services, he is honored with Kalaimamani Award in the year 2005 by the government of Tamil Nadu. Kalaimamani Chevalier Dr. V.G. Sandosam, an eminent scholar and social activist with a distinguished record of diversity services, has conceived and executed the innovative strategy of bringing together the experts, stalwarts in various walks of life to share their knowledge and skills for the better governance of social organizations. He was associated with special organizations such as literature, culture, arts, calamity relief, etc. He has written and published more than 100 books on various subjects of his interest. The honors and awards received by Dr. V.G. Sandosam includes 1. Lifetime Achievement Award for his journey from a newspaper boy to a business tycoon by Daily Tandi. Lifetime Achievers Award presented for his extraordinary service to the Tamil language. Kavi Chakravarti Award by 6 university vice chancellors for composing 1 lakh poems. Kalaimamani Award in 2005 by the government of Tamil Nadu to honor his community services. Received Thiruvalar Award in the year 2015. A Lifetime Achieved Award was received in the year 2019 from the Parliament of England. Tamil Thai Award in the year 2020 and many more awards, rewards and laurels received because of his outstanding service rendered to the society. Dr. V.G. Sandosam is a lover of Tamil and Tirukkural. He has taken several steps to spread out the words of Thiruvalluvar and his Tirukkural. He has arranged nearly 20 national and international conferences for highlighting the ideas given by Thiruvalluvar. He has donated and established nearly 122 Thiruvalluvar statues around the globe. We, Wales, also proud to say that we are also one of the recipients of the Thiruvalluvar statue by him, which is installed in the front of this Yuvalia auditorium. Mr. Chancellor, by reason of his eminence and attainments in the field of business, for his philanthropic work benefiting the society at large and service to the Tamil language and culture, The Board of Management of Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, VISTAS, is pleased to recommend to you, in recognition of his immense contributions in the field of business, to confer upon Kalaimamani Chevalier Dr. V.G. Sandosam, the Doctor of Literature Honorary Causa, for which I request that he may be admitted. I request Kalaimamani Chevalier Dr. V.G. Sandosam, Chairman, VGP Group of Companies, to come forward to receive the honorary degree from the Chancellor of Vistas.